champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun.
Today is our senior walk, so we celebrate each and every senior by allowing them to walk through. All of the rest of our community is here to cheer them on, and we get to celebrate.
Freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. Oh, 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 oh.
On June 9th, we'll have our bell ringing, and our bell ringing symbolizes that it's the end of the year, because at the beginning of the year we ring a bell to open the year, and we ring the bell at the end of the year. So this year we will have our seniors come back. They get to ring out 2026.
In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us.
I've been in ISA for 3 years, so it's really bittersweet that I am going to leave the school and the island, but my heart stays with ISA. 95 years and counting, and it will go on for another 95 years.
1,